Namaste friends! Who doesn't love ice cream? But we also don't love additional calories, feeling heavy and tired down after you eat one. Because in Ayurveda, cold and sweet doesn't go well as it is dense, heavy and it imbalances the fire in our digestive system. However, don't worry, this Ayurvedic sugar-free Arabian Delight ice cream recipe is not only exotic and delicious but also controls cravings, blood sugar levels while nourishing your body. Come on, let's get started. So for this sugar-free Arabian Delight ice cream, we are going to use fresh or whipping cream 3 cups, saffron soaked in 1 cup of warm milk, date syrup 1 cup, raisins, cardamom powder, turmeric powder and dried figs. So these are the whole and natural ingredients which we are going to use. First I'm going to add some dried figs into the blender. If you don't want to use blender for this, you can chop it up. And then I'm going to add raisins. And then I want to make sure that it's a coarse paste. We don't want smooth paste. I really love tasting figs and raisins in my ice cream, so that's why I want to make it into a coarse paste. If you don't like that, you can make it into a puree. That's fine too. Now I'm going to take a large bowl. In that I'm going to add the fresh or whipping cream. For that I'm going to add the saffron soaked milk and whisk really well. So this is not a whipping cream, guys, so we don't see any peaks forming. And this is cardamom powder which I'm adding. This is what controls your blood sugar. And turmeric powder helps to fight inflammation and combat any kind of flu symptoms. And then here I'm going to add date syrup. So date syrup is warm in nature. So even though it is sugary, sweet, but while adding it to ice cream, it actually balances the coldness of the ice cream. Besides, we are also adding raisins and fig paste here. Raisins and figs contributes to the sweetness factor for this ice cream, and also it gives the exotic taste of Arabian Delight ice cream. If you want, you can also chop up some of the dates and add it to this as well, and also add some nuts if you like. So since we are using fresh cream here, you don't see any peaks forming. If you're using whipping cream, then you will see the peaks forming on it. And make sure that you're covering it up nicely or put it in an airtight container and freeze it for at least 10 to 12 hours. And enjoy guilt-free. Stay tuned. Bye.